How to add background music to Instagram Reel. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add background music to Instagram Reel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Insta. Make sure that you've updated your app to the latest version. After you open it up, you can then create a new post. To do that, tap on the plus icon on the middle. Then select a video or reel, whichever you want. So I'll just select this one right here and tap on next on the top right. After you do that, there you will see a music option. So you can tap on this music option right here. After you do that, you can choose a music that you want. So you can select a music whichever you want and then choose which part of the music that you want to add. So let's say I'm just going to add this. And that's how you add a background music to Instagram Reel. Now you can add a caption, you can add hashtags to increase the reach, tag people, add location, and do other edits if you want. Then tap on the share button to share this reel. And that's basically how you can add a background music and share your reel on Instagram. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.